Alright guys, so this is the sliding sign up and registration page. So this sliding sign up registration page was done with HTML and CSS with a bit of JavaScript. Look at it, with a bit of JavaScript. So if you need access to this particular sign up page, all you need to do is go to my profile, click on our YouTube channel link, then you will see the video on my channel. All you need to do is just go to the description and you will have access to this particular script. You can download it there. It's free guys. And if you want me to do a video on how to design this sliding registration, drop it on the comment section. I'll be doing video on this particular sign up page and the registration page, sign in and sign up registration page based on the demand. If people really want me to do a tutorial on it, so see you guys in our next video.